Welcome to the Omni CMS video tutorial on modifying navigations. Navigation menus are the primary way for users to navigate your site. There are two types of navigation in your site: the top navigation and side navigations. The top navigation is the primary method of navigating your site. It is displayed as a bar at the top of every page in the site. The side navigations are the secondary method of navigating your site. While there is only one top navigation per site, there can be multiple side navigations. Use these to provide secondary links of sections in your site. Side navigations are displayed as a list in the left or right column and are optional per page. To edit a navigation, go to your site's folder and select the _topnav.pcf file. The file must be checked out in order to be edited. To check it out, click the light bulb or use the Edit Top Navigation button to check out the page automatically. Navigation files must be in a bulleted list format with links. Lists can be nested to create dropdowns and groups inside of those dropdowns. Additional styles or other content will be removed upon saving. It is important to follow the bulleted list of links format. Other content may cause the navigation to not work correctly. Use the top navigation to create links to the primary pages of your site. Create dropdowns to provide groups of links to pages inside of sections. When creating a navigation link, remember to keep them concise and avoid repeating your site name. To add a new link, add an item to the list by pressing Enter or Return. Enter the text for the navigation item, then select it. Click Insert/Edit Link in the WYSIWYG toolbar to create a link. Select URL to open the Dependency Manager file browser. Navigate to the page or folder that the item will link to and select it. Click Insert. Add an optional title to provide additional context about the link when hovering. This is helpful for accessibility if the link text is short or when using acronyms. Click Save to create the link. For more details, see our training video on adding links. To create a drop-down list, add another item to the list. Type in the title for the dropdown, add another item, then use the Tab key on your keyboard, or click the Increase Indent button in the toolbar. This will create a nested item that will be in your dropdown. Do not link the dropdown title. Clicking it will only open the dropdown menu and will not go to any pages. When complete, save any changes. Top navigations also have a special property called branding. Branding displays your site name as the first item in the navigation. It also provides a link back to your site's homepage. When viewing a page on smaller screens or mobile devices, it provides a reference of what the navigation is for. Make sure the top navigation file is checked out, then click Page Properties. Under Custom Settings, change the branding text to your site name. Save the navigation file and preview it. When you are ready, publish the file to make the changes in production. Files that display the top navigation do not need to be published and are automatically updated. You can have multiple side navigations in one site. One _sidenav.pcf file can be added per folder. This allows you to create additional levels of navigation for deeper sections of a site. Any pages in that folder will display that side navigation. If no _sidenav.pcf file exists in a folder, the page will automatically use the side nav from the next folder up in the site. To create a side navigation in a folder of your site, first navigate to that folder, Click the New button, select New Side Navigation, click the Create button, and now an underscore sidenav.pcf file has been added to the folder. Editing a side navigation is exactly the same as a top navigation. Follow the bulleted and nested list format to create the navigation list and any dropdowns. Note, side navigation cannot have groups inside of dropdowns. To enable the side navigation on a page and control which side it is on, you must edit the properties of that page. See our video on page properties for more details. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the ITS service desk at 270 745 7000 or visit wku.edu/its/contact. For examples, best practices, and other helpful information, visit wku.edu/omni-cms.